My name is Ningkhan, honest, and thank you so much for coming through. Yes, this is the first tissue paper machine, which is gonna set up here in Yukol district. And yes, I have the machine here, and right now there is no electricity, but we have made some few here. This is the soft tissue paper, and yeah, that's about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else are you going to produce from
Okay.
this line?
Yes, for now, I just have this few weeks, which is by the last week of March, the paper cups and the paper plates will be ready. Yeah, so these are the three machines which I'm planning to bring right now. But I have one more, which is a bigger project than this three machine, which I made it on my own. Yeah, I would love somebody, if somebody were to sponsor me, but I would love that. But yeah, this is all mine let's say from the start to the till now. Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us your objective? Objective
Okay.
Share some.
The main is that the first thing is I think it is the right time, for especially here in Yukol district, because it's a very big district and we do not have a paper industry. Right, so that is the reason why I decided to take it to my hometown. Then, rather than in city where I usually stay, which is in Delhi. Yes.
Raw materials
Okay, the raw materials right now we do not have here in Manipur, so I might allocate it somewhere, but it's nearby. I'll get it from Guwahati side. So right now I'm trying to figure that one out too. I have no knowledge exactly. So once I start with the market, then I will be able to find out, after a day or two, that okay, this is how much the demand is. Yeah. So, but for now, I have no knowledge exactly.
Now, pricing here, the Sarah market value and Sarah own.
No. The pricing will be my own. It has nothing to do with the market. It will be like the half rate of if the market people are getting like let's say 40, then I might come down to 20 rupees. Depends on the pieces that I put in. The more pieces I put in the packet, then a little bit lesser, 1 or 2 rupees. If it's gonna be lesser pieces in the packet, then it will be like so much lesser than the wholesale or the market price. Yeah. There will be small outlets even in Yukol. There are also outlets which we're trying to organize in Kamjong also, in Pune also. There will be various outlets that we are planning to open right now. Yes. See, normally those who have paper cups or tissue paper or paper plates, they don't make raw materials. Okay, raw materials are made very separate, and those who have the machine like this, which I have right now, we make it later on the product ones. Yeah. So normally they don't mix with the raw materials and the machine. Yes, it's separated. Quality, it will be premium standard ones. So, yeah, because this is a waste recycled paper. There is a one which is a virgin paper, but those virgin papers are like more expensive, and even those papers are normally not used. Those are used only in 5-star, 6-star, 7-star hotel, and it's expensive, so it is not really worth it. So yeah, so right now it's just gonna be the standard ones where everybody uses it.
Will you be giving special kind of service, like you mentioned about the the nameplates?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Can you also mention
exactly,
about that?
Yes. If anybody wants to customize like the tissue paper, if you have a cafe or if the weddings are coming up, and if you want to print it your name, or your cafe name or whatever it is, then it is also available. I can customize it for you. Yeah. You just have to let me know what type of names you want and what type of design you want, and then it will be done. It will take 1 week at the most.